Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy felt flowers. And these are very easy to make, so let's get started. To make these easy flowers, you're going to start with a square of felt or any stiff fabric. And you can use any size square. You can use large or small. Now you're just going to round out the corners. Like that. So I just have a rounded corners. Now you're going to start anywhere. I'm just going to start here on one of the corners, and you're just going to go ahead and cut in a spiral. Like that. That's what you're going to end up with. Now what I'm going to do is, this is going to be the base of the flower, so I'm going to start at this end, and I'm just going to fold it little ways because it makes it easier to get started with my rolling. And then I'm just going to roll this up into a circle, and I'm just keeping all of this at the same height. Like that. And then this is going to be underneath on the base of the flower. So you can turn it around and you can place it down, and if you like you can loosen it up a little bit. And now I'm going to put hot glue along the bottom, and I'm going to go in an X shape so that I catch every one of the layers. Like that. And then I'm going to place that down into the hot glue. Like that. That's how easy it is to make these little felt flowers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.